Welcome to Abhyas Quest. Now we are going to start with a session that is the course for Diploma in Tele. In this course, you are supposed to learn advanced features of Tele. So first of all, how to start with Tele? You are going to have an icon on your desktop, Tele Prime. Click on that. In that, here you are going to get continue in educational mode. First, click on that. After this, window will appear. That is a gateway of Tele. In this, first we are supposed to create a new company. Here K is given for company. We'll click on this and the option is create company. So we are going to create a company. As we are studying payroll system, we are going to create our education system, that is Shivaji Education Society. Okay, Shivaji. I'm creating the company first. Okay, Shivaji Education. Okay, this I have created. Okay, then press enter. Mailing address will be the same. Our code file is the address. Okay, enter state Maharashtra. Need to put over here Maharashtra. Okay, Maharashtra, India. Pin code you can put 444005. I have already taught this in the previous lectures. Telephone number, mobile number, can enter the website. Email address, currency, financial year will be 1st April 21. Books will start from the same period. Currency will be rupees and formal name will be INR. And in this way we have created our company. See, you got the message, company created successfully. Okay, now we are going to go for payroll system. First, show more features. I'll give this as no. See, this window is going to appear when your company is created, when there are no features activated. We are having three types of features: accounting features, inventory features, and taxation features. If we want to see more features, right now no payroll system has been activated. To activate that, I need to do here some settings. That is, I am going to click here no more features as yes. As soon as I click over here, see here we got the window. Now here show all features, enable that too also as yes. After this, towards our right side, see where the cursor is, you are going to see payroll. Here maintain payroll is given. Click on this and enter it as yes. After this, press enter and accept. Now see, in this create option, gateway of Tele, our company is Shivaji Education, which we just created. Earlier there were no payroll system activated. Now we have activated. When we click on this create option, see here payroll master has been activated. Another way or shortcut way to go for payroll in activation is, see here Sri Ram company is there. Here we are going to click on this. In this company, no payroll system has been activated. You can see over here. See whether payroll is activated. No, payroll is not activated in this company. So to activate it, what you can do is press F11. As soon as first come out of it, press F11. When I am going to press F11, it is asking for the company where I want these features. See, I have pressed over here. Now see the option over here for maintaining payroll is no. As soon as I am going to press yes, it is going to get activated. This step I have already told you for Shivaji Education. See, now you will see that this payroll is activated in this company too. Okay, let's see. We'll come out of it. See, our company name is Sri Ram. Now in create, you are going to see this payroll masters. Earlier there was no payroll master. We have activated it. So you can activate it in two ways, either by using the shortcut key, that is F11, and setting the accounting features to maintain your payroll as yes. After this, come back to our education. Yes, we are going to work with the company, that is Shivaji Education. In this, click on create. Now in this payroll master, we are having different points that we need to learn. The first point is employee group, employee, units, that is work, attendance type, pay head, and payroll voucher. To learn this payroll master, we are going to see one by one. First of all, we are going to go for your attendance or production type. Okay, so click on that attendance or production type. As soon as I click, a small window is going to appear. Here you need to create attendance or production type. Attendance means I am going to go for attendance, whether you are present or not. Na? So we are going to create it as absent. Okay. Press enter, enter. Here the head under will be primary. Then press enter. Attendance type. See, attendance type matlab when you are supposed to pay. Leave with pay means if you are on leave you are going to get the payment. Leave without pay means if you are on leave you are not going to get pay. Next is your production. How much units you are producing, according to that you are going to get the money. Or user defined calendar type. There are 4 options. We are going to select, that is leave without pay. Okay, if you are on leave you are not going to get the pay. So I am clicking on that. Now period, it is asking how you are going to calculate it. We are going to calculate it in terms of days. Okay, then press enter. See, attendance creation has been done. Now another example for this, we are going to take it as overtime. Overtime. Okay, overtime we are going to enter here. Again this will be prime. See, the one which we have created, it has been listed in the list. Now we are going to take this as primary only. Press enter. Now this overtime, whatever money you are going to get for overtime, it will be based on the production, how much production you are going to do. So यहाँ पर we are taking production attendance type as production. As soon as I press enter, how you are going to measure your production? In units. So in units means if you are working for hours, you are going to get overtime in hours, or you are going to get overtime for units, whatever number. For one box you are getting overtime, or for one piece you are getting overtime. In what number you are getting overtime, you are supposed to specify. Here it is given units. We are not having any sort of units created over there. So we'll press Alt plus C and create a unit creation. For example, we are giving production overtime in hours. So I have written HRS. Per hour I am going to give. Formal name for HRS is hours. Okay. Quantity, if it is having in this, take it, else leave it. I think so. No, it is not there. Okay, decimal points not applicable. Enter and decimal 0. See, our production in units has been created. Then press accept, yes. So attendance has been created over here in units. Have you understood the topic, how to create attendance creation? Then come back to our front page here. Now see, here we have already learnt attendance or production type with 2 examples, and how to create units, that is work in hours. We have seen this 2 points in this. The next point, that is pay heads, we are going to see in the next video. That's all. Thank you.